Morning, dear students. Myself is Dr. Kausar, Unnisa, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC. In this session, I am going to have a discussion on the second type of average, that is called as median. Before going to start the problems, let us know what we mean by median. Median is nothing but the central value, or median is nothing but that item of the series where we are going to divide the array, the arrangement of numbers into two equal parts. One part will be considered as less than value, the other part will be as the more than value. The central part or the central value is called as the median value. So it is called as a positional average, or because it is occupying at the central position. And this median we are going to denote with a symbol or with an alphabet that is called as M. So we know that we have to calculate the averages under three series. One is individual series, discrete and continuous series. In this session, we are going to have problems which are relating to individual and discrete series. Individual series means it is relating only of the observations or the data or the variable values what we collected. So how to calculate the median under individual series means there are two steps. See, in case of mean, there is no required, there will be no required for the arrangement of the data, but in case of median, be required for the arranging the data either in the form of ascending order or descending order. That is the first step. And the second step is be required to apply the formula, that is median is nothing but the size of n plus 1 by 2 items. These are the two steps has to be followed under individual series. Let us then see a question here, the problem number 1. Find the median wages of the following workers. Here they have given in one row, that is the workers, and the second row they have given the wages paid to these workers. The wages paid for the A worker it is 60 rupees, for the B worker it is 45, C worker 55, D is 50, E is 40, F is 70 and G is 65. So here whatever the wages that they have been paid, it has to be arranged in an order. So we arrange the data for the calculation of median. We arrange the data in the form of ascending order. So 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. This is the first arrangement. And the next one is we should require to apply the formula, that is median equals the size of n plus 1 by 2. So in case of individual series, we know that n is nothing but the number of items. In case of discrete and continuous series, n is nothing but total frequency values. So how many number of items, how many workers are there? Means it is 7. So median equals size of 7 workers. In place of n, we will have to substitute 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, median equals size of 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 2. It is nothing but the fourth item. Let us will check what is the fourth item in this series. Means it is 55. Therefore, the fourth item in the series is 55. Therefore, we are calling as the median average is nothing but 55 rupees. And let us see for the second question. Calculate the median height of the group of 10 persons from the given data below. Height in the inches then are given 60, 58, 62, 65 inches, 55, 52, 66, 68, 52 and 70. Let us will arrange in an ascending order regarding the height given for the 10 people. First one is 52, again 52, 55, 58, 60, 62, 65, 66, 68 and 70. Then we'll have to apply the formula. Median is nothing but the size of n plus 1 by 2. N is nothing but 10 plus 1 by 2, it is 11 by 2. Therefore, the size is 5.5. Here we didn't get the exact value, so 5.5 means the fifth plus sixth item it is. If we are getting in the form of this decimal, means the average of fifth plus sixth divided by 2 has to be considered as the median value. Then what is the fifth item in the series arrangement? Means 60 and the 60 is 62. 60 plus 62 divided by 2 is 122 divided by 2, it is nothing but 61. Therefore, we are calling it as the value of the median is 61. Yeah, this is how we need to calculate in the case of individual series. Let us see some of the questions here given in the form of discrete series, how to calculate the value of median in the case of discrete series. Discrete series means one variable column, another one frequency column will be given. So Let us will see how to calculate. The marks is given here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of students 3, 1, 10, 20, 8, and 3. Here already the data is arranged of variables. No need to go for arranging. The same thing we are going to plot it on the table. First column is variable, second is frequency. Because of in case of median, the next step that we have to follow, that is cumulative frequency column. So let us remark in the x column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the number of students 3, 7, 10, 28, and 2. Total frequency values are 50. Let us will have to do the next, because in case of discrete and continuous series, we are going to calculate with the help of cumulative frequency values. So first number is 3. 3 plus 7 we should add 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. Therefore, we calculated here the CF value. Let us then see how to do in the case of median. So median is nothing but the size of n plus 1 by 2. Here we, as I told that n is nothing but total frequency. In the place of n, we substituted here as 50. It is not a 5. 50 plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, median equals the size of 51 by 2 is nothing but 25.5. See, in the frequency values, we can't see 25.5, only in case of CF values. Up to 20 we can see in the place of third variable, but in the fourth one it is 40 total. In this 40 only, the size of the item that we calculated here is 25.5 is locating in the CF of 40. Therefore, 25.5th item lies in the CF of 40. Corresponding to this 40, what is the variable value here? It is 3. Therefore, the 3 will be considered as the value of the median. This is how we have to calculate in case of discrete series. Let us then see one more question here. Find the median from the following data. The variables given 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the frequency values are 8, 13, 25, 37, 23, 15, and 9. Let us then compute the median. As it is given in the question, x values has to be marked the first one, second is f, and let us B have to calculate CF column. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is the variables column, and F column given in the question, that is 8, 13, 25, 37, 23, 15, and 9. Total frequency values are 130. Let us calculate CF. The first number will be as it is 8. 8 plus simple frequency value we should add. Plus 13 it becomes 21. 21 plus 25 becomes 46. 46 plus 37 becomes 83. 83 plus frequency values we should add. 23 becomes 106 plus 15 becomes 121. 121 plus 9 it will be 130. Already we calculated here. Let us will apply the formula here. Median is nothing but the size of n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, the size of n means 130 plus 1 divided by 2, it becomes 131 by 2. So, the median is nothing but the size of 65.5. Let us will check whether the 65.5 is exact. If CF is there, if not, means we should go for the next highest value. 46 is there. After 46, we are having the next highest value is 63. So, this 83 CF value, the value of 65.5 is locating. Corresponding to that, the variable value, how much is there means the x value, that is 14. Therefore, 14 is considered as the median value. And the third question given here, compute the median value from the following data. The size column 1, 5, 8, 12, 10, 6, 4, frequency is 7, 20, 3, 7, 15, and 3. Here also we need to calculate the median in case of the, we require to draw the table which contains of 3 columns. One is size, frequency, and CF. In the size 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, frequency given in the question 3, 7, 15, 27, and 3. Total will be 55. Let us calculate CF. The first number will be as it is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. 52 plus 3 is 55. Now we have to apply the formula. Median equals the size of n plus 1 by 2. Median is nothing but the size of n means 55 plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, median equals 56 by 2. The median, the size of the median will becomes 28. Let us will check whether 28 is there in the CF. It is not there, means we should go to the next highest value. After 25, the next will be 45. Therefore, the 28 items is lies in the CF of 45. Corresponding to that, the variable value is 8. Therefore, this 8 will be considered as the median value. So, this is how we have to calculate according to the In we have to calculate the value of median in the discrete series. Thank you.